Am I the only one that didn't know these hair care secrets? Let's uncover the wonders of Bhringraj, Amla, Reetha, and Shikakai. First up, Bhringraj. This powerhouse herb is known for promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall, controls excess DHT levels. Say goodbye to thinning hair. Next, we have Amla, or Indian gooseberry. Packed with vitamin C, Amla strengthens your hair from the roots and gives it a natural shine. Who doesn't love shiny locks? Now, let's talk Reetha, also known as soap nut. This natural cleanser keeps your scalp squeaky clean and dandruff-free. Clean scalp, happy hair. Last but not least, Shikakai. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making your hair softer and more manageable. No more bad hair days. So, there you have it. Bhringraj, Amla, Reetha and Shikakai. Your hair, your look. Ready to transform your hair game? Let's get started with Narashansa Organics Hair Care Herbal products.